Ideate Dashboard for Autodesk BIM 360 Aggregator Project. The purpose of the Aggregator Project is to see your overall hub as a whole, or selected projects within your company's BIM 360 account. We've created just this empty, we call Aggregator Project. If this could be named anything, note that here in the document management, what I mean by empty is that it has no documents in it at all. It's truly empty. And then we create the cards just as we have always done, but we can choose which project we want to choose from. So move this over to here. Save. Configure. And maybe we want to look at our project from 2021 samples. Top 5 ranking. And we type in here what we've used before, which is ideatesolutions.com/bar.html. We copy the URL uniquely to this card. Configure. Control A, Control V. And now we just have to make sure we choose the right project so it matches our title at the top, 2021 samples. And the right. We save. And now we continue to add other cards. So we could look at other projects, maybe compare projects, maybe just look at projects that are of concern to us. So let me say another project here. So I have one called David's Lab, top 5 ranking, because I want to compare those. I can do it however I want to do it. I can change these on an ongoing basis. And now I simply say this to David's project or David's lab. And I want to compare how these look in comparison to the other. Maybe they're this similar projects, maybe they're 2 different cities, so on and so forth. And then we can say, well, one's better than the other. And I can keep track of these, as always, drilling down is possible on either one of these 2. Remember to save. And that's how you do an aggregator project.